Hi everyone, myself Mrs. Indumathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchendur. Now I am going to discuss the topic 5 Kingdom Classification. We all know that the earth contains millions and millions of living creatures. To group that creature, we are going for kingdom classification. In earlier period, the great philosopher Aristotle gave 2 kingdom classification in which he classified the living creature into 2 groups or 2 kingdom. One is Plantae and another one is Animalia. Due to limitation in that, the next classification given by Ernest Haeckel, the 3 kingdom classification. That classification also have some demerits. To overcome that limitations, 5 kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in the year 1969. The criteria for kingdom classification is complexity of cell structure, whether the organism is prokaryote or eukaryote, body or organization, unicellular or multicellular, mode of nutrition, whether the organism is autotrophic, heterotrophic or saprophytic. The next is phylogenetic relationship. It means the organism, whether it shares common ancestry, that organism are grouped together. The next one is reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. And the 5 kingdom, there are Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi and then Animalia. We will see one by one. The first one is kingdom Monera. It is prokaryotic organism, unicellular and microscopic in size. It lacks true nucleus, that is nucleoid. It contains nucleoid, that's why it is prokaryotic. No membrane bound organelles are present. Cell wall contains peptidoglycan layer. Reproduction is by means of binary fission and the mode of nutrition is autotrophic and then heterotrophic. Examples are bacteria, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. The next one is kingdom Protista. Eukaryotic organism, mostly unicellular, some are colonical that are living in a group, possess a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles and found mostly in aquatic and moist environments. Nutrition may be autotrophic, heterotrophic or mixotrophic. Since they possess cilia and flagella, they can move from one place to another place. Some organism can move from one place to another place by means of pseudopodia like amoeba. Reproduction is by sexual and asexual mode. Example, amoeba, paramecium and then plasmodium. The next kingdom is fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms since they possess true nucleus, mostly multicellular, except yeast, they are unicellular. They are non-photosynthetic. They possess heterotrophic and saprophytic mode of nutrition, which means saprophytes are mode of nutrition which feeds on dead and decaying matter. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Body consists of thread-like structure called hyphae, which is collectively called mycelium. Reproduction is by means of spores. Example, mushroom, which is a macrofungi. Aspergillus penicillium, they are microfungi, multicellular, and Candida is a single cellular fungi. The next kingdom is Plantae. They are eukaryotic and multicellular. It contains a special pigment called chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Since they can able to synthesize their own food, they are autotrophs, cell wall composed of cellulose, and they store their food as starch. Have well differentiated tissue organization, reproduce by vegetative, asexual and sexual mode. Primary habitat is terrestrial, some are aquatic. The last kingdom is Animalia. They are multicellular and eukaryotic organism, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Cell wall is absent in animals and possess specialized tissue, organ and organ system. Reproduction of animal is by sexual mode. Development stages shows different embryonic stages in animals. Last, merits. It separates prokaryote and eukaryote clearly. By 5 kingdom classification, we can separate prokaryote and eukaryote. Recognize fungi as separate kingdom. Reflects evolutionary relationship. Demerits of 5 kingdom classifications are groups archaea and bacteria together in Monera since they are differ in cell wall composition. Protista contains diverse group of organisms, does not fully reflect modern molecular and genetic evidence. Thank you.